So here's our potting plant that we're going to be using for one of our Christmas decorations. Our palm tree, unfortunately, got yellow. It was just a potted palm. It was really pretty, actually. It ended up getting the palm tree yellow.
Yep, it's a disease they get that turns them yellow and then they die off.
And it died off. So this is the exact pot we need, though, for the DIY Christmas mug we're going to do. So we're going to dump it out and go clean it up and get it ready to start decorating. Gotta clean it out, wash it so it'll dry, and then we're going to paint it. So join us. All right, here we go. Oh.
All right, let's see how we can.
Oh, right on out. Crazy.
There we go.
Well, there it is. I'm excited. We've been having some rainy weather, and we haven't been able to get out here to do this. And we kind of got a lull right now. It's overcasted and it's very chilly and a little breezy. So we're okay. So it's Florida chilly. It's 65 right now. It said 63.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, 63 in our yard because we have our little weather station. But yeah, that's chilly for us, and it's going to go down in the 40s. So at least now we can get out here and get this done. This is just part of our DIY projects we like to do during the holidays.
All right, we're all cleaned up.
Yay! And we're now gonna go rinse it out. All right, now he's gonna rinse it out really quick. All right, so now we're just gonna let it dry, fully dry, so we can spray paint the outside. We're not using the inside. We'll probably put a couple of our decent sized rocks we got in it to keep it weighted so the wind doesn't knock it down once it's done. But now we just gotta let it dry. Until then, it's gonna sit there.